Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating exactly which section you will remove and why, a repeated header, an ad block, or a layout row. Make a quick backup or snapshot so you can revert. This protects live content. Then open the editor. Use the visual mode to see blocks, or switch to HTML/CSS to find an ID or class. Once you've identified the element, note its selector and any linked scripts or styles, because you'll need that info to remove it cleanly without breaking layout. Now remove the section step by step. First, disable associated scripts or plugins to avoid errors. If you're in a visual editor, select the block and use the delete or remove command. If you're in code view, delete the HTML node and any inline CSS tied to it. Make sure to also remove event listeners or script references. Once removed, refresh the preview and test different breakpoints. This ensures the page flow and responsive layout adjust correctly and nothing collapses unexpectedly. Finish by verifying the change across devices and browsers. Clear caches and reload to avoid stale assets. Rerun accessibility and SEO checks to ensure no hidden headings or links were lost, and update navigation or anchors if they pointed to the removed section. If you used code, tidy up unused CSS and scripts to reduce load. If something goes wrong, restore your backup snapshot and retrace steps. This controlled rollback protects content while you refine the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.